The Nespresso C91 Essenza Espresso machine utilizes disposable Nespresso capsules to deliver delicious espresso coffee, at the touch of a button. It also contains a capsule container that holds 14 used capsules. Designed for convenience and ultimate taste, the machine has a sleek and attractive black finish, and uses Nespresso's superior coffee capsules. Once your espresso has finished brewing, the machine automatically ejects the capsules into a container where 14 used capsules can be stored at a time. The water tank is removable for quick cleaning, and the machine removes any remaining water after brewing so that the next brew will be as fresh as possible. Compact and easy to use, Essenza is simplicity itself. 19 bars of pressure create a stunningly simple espresso. Other features include a backlit control button and a thermoblock heating element that can heat water up to 196 degrees. What are customers saying about this espresso machine? Check out the customer reviews now at bestespressomachinereview.net.